So we're replacing this siding right here, and I get a lot of questions and comments and stuff about the siding. So about 90% of the siding up here in Idaho, it looks like wood, but it's actually not wood. So the prepping is a little bit different here than it is in other parts of the United States or even other parts of the world. And just to give you an idea, this is the siding. It looks like wood. Here's a piece of it brand new that I just replaced. It's very susceptible to water damage. So you can see this was getting hit by the sprinklers, and all it really is ground up wood fibers that's really just glued together. It's got a paper on it, and then it's pressed to look like wood, and what I call it is glorified cardboard siding. So this is it. When water hits it, it just crumbles up. So the prepping process is a little bit different. You can't sand this. So if people see us not sanding and stuff and treating it a little bit differently, because it is different. So this piece of trim board right here, all the siding board, the fascia, it's all made out of this basically composite wood material that's susceptible to heat, susceptible to UV rays, susceptible to water damage. So you don't want to, if you own a home made with this stuff, it's like TruWood Warehouser made it, LP made it, and it's just notorious for just falling apart, with water damage. So don't let your sprinklers hit it. Try to keep rain off of it. Get gutters on your house to protect it. This was the sprinklers from the grass hitting it continually, and that's what did it. The house is only about 15 years old, and that's what happened to the siding right there.